Hey, we'll have less of that. I don't go out. Don't go out ever. Everybody should be in a good mood. Sun's coming out, so it'll be a nice day for everyone. You know how it's like after everybody's gone out and got steaming and whatever else they've done over the weekend. So.
Morning guys, we've got Baggy model in his extra large Ivies. Look.
Yeah, I did loads around the other side, the big field right back of here. Yeah, I did all this.
I am good.
Mark's got his king chair just watching over us all. Looks like you're on Baba, mate.
Text the word value for puts double T double step. Value for puts double T double step.
In Keighley for the council over there allotments, and I must admit I've forgotten what we've got on rest of the week. But a few too many beers this Friday I was networking, so I had a few then. Saturday we were out, my friend's birthday, so yeah, all in all been a good weekend.
Peverage, we did this last time we were here. I remember that video.
We refer to him as pals from Sheffield.
Jamie, you ain't got no pals, mate. So